Daily beer review time. I score beers out of 100. I am at. Oh, you can go.
Thank you.
It's fine. You know this
We'll
is.
do it again.
No, it's fine.
Oh, you're just gonna let this happen?
Yeah, I mean,
You're
it's
one
fine.
take man.
Yeah, one take. We'll never cut nothing. Oh, anyway,
Okay.
daily beer. Oh, I'll just. Daily beer review time. I score beers out of 100. I'm at Stamba Brewery
Beautiful brewery.
in Veera Desai Road in Mumbai. I'm having the wit beer, the Belgian wit beer, citrus spice and a creamy. First of all, 1 second. I'm with a guest. I forgot to introduce you.
No, I also got into it, but the thing
Yeah.
is, you said creamy mouthfeel and then stopped to introduce me. Okay, do it.
Go on, introduce yourself. Who are you?
Hello. Oh, I was not going to do the hello because of your track record of guests who've done hello. So hi, Sip and Smash fam. What are we? Sip and
Bro
Smash?
fam, bro fam.
Bro fam.
Who does that? Someone does bro fam.
We don't do it.
Long
That's
live.
nobody does it. We only talk about ourselves and Sip and Smash here.
Go on, yeah.
Hi, I am Aranyani. I am your friend, very esteemed friend.
You're also Anshu's friend,
I'm.
who was our guest.
No, Ansh is my friend, and you are my friend. Let's
Okay.
start there. But yeah, what else can I tell you about me?
It's fine. We can do it in the next videos. You know, this
Yeah,
much
I
is
was
enough
thinking
for.
I should have like 3 things to say.
Yeah,
for each
we'll
video.
go. Okay, we'll just get
Okay,
into the
cool.
beer. So with beer, citrus, spice, and a creamy mouthfeel, with hints of orange peel and coriander. A refreshing taste of Belgian bliss in every sip. Throwback to the historic city of Bruges, with its cobblestone streets and picturesque canals. ABV 4.3, IBU 14, which is not that bitter. It'll be slightly more. 14 is like very,
What
very.
is the scale?
I think it goes up to 50. Like stouts can go up to
50?
30. Yeah, it can go up to
Okay.
I don't know how much.
Okay.
But stouts are around 30, 35 sometimes
Okay,
as well.
cool.
So this is just 14.
Okay.
Mouthfeel, soft and dairy.
So is mouthfeel a thing? When reviewing beers, is mouthfeel a category?
Yeah.
Is it like a widely accepted
yeah,
category?
because sometimes see this is what they're putting in. Sometimes when you have a beer, it's very light.
Okay, fine.
You know, like it feels
Yeah,
very
yeah.
bland. You feel like it's or maybe just fizzy. Sometimes you want like a thick.
So texture in beer is a thing?
Yeah, of course. Yeah,
Like fizzy and all aside, like feeling tingly and all
because
that.
of the grains, you know, the
Ah,
grains
okay.
make the texture.
Okay.
Aroma, zesty with a hint of floral spice.
Yeah, that it is.
Crispy and light. Did you?
Oh,
Oh,
I
this
smelled
aroma.
it, dude.
Buzz level 8 out of 10. 4.3 ABV. It's not really going to give you a buzz, but anyway.
Oh, they have
Price.
a buzz level.
Yeah. Price 350 for 330. This looks like a 330 ml glass.
Okay.
I think it is. It's very fancy. You know, it's something you don't want your
Yeah, we also
bros
have,
bros to see you drinking from. Yeah, and they give these chocolate Belgian waffles to have with it.
This is.
I hope it pairs well.
Yeah, you know. Okay, never mind.
What?
No, at night at 3 in the morning when I'm hungry, you get this shit on Swiggy. Okay, cheers. Are we cheersing yet? Why are you eating that before drinking? Won't it like mess with your palate? You should get your palate insured. Your taste buds insured.
I already have my tongue in short.
Hey, chup re. No, you really should.
Yeah. Once we hit 1,000 subscribers, I will. Cheers.
Okay. Cheers.
You know, just because of the orange over here, as soon as you go to take a sip, there's like a
You
very
smell it a lot, yeah.
fresh orange smell. Again, you're going just out of the frame.
Shift your chair a little, like 1 inch. Okay, fine, cool. Yeah, okay. This smells like something.
It smells like an orange. It's
It's giving Ganga Jamuna juice vibes.
but like it's supposed to be, you know. I'll just
Yeah,
put
but I
this.
really like it.
Again, it's not very grainy. It's not very wheaty. There's no other soda
This
flavor.
has no correlation.
What?
The waffle.
I mean, they just gave a waffle thing on the side.
Yeah, but I don't understand.
They've also give us
some peanuts
mumfali in a bag.
in the basket to throw. We can't decide which it goes in, but fine. I think we should put the peels in this.
We'll do it. We'll eat.
The sweet waffle with this is not it. I'm not enjoying that. But
Anyway,
the beer itself.
we just have the beer. It's a good wheat beer.
What is wheat now?
Wheat. In Belgian they call it wheat.
Okay. Yeah, I quite like it.
Yeah, like decent spices, a decent orange taste. It's not very not,
Yeah, the
not a lot of
orangey,
soda.
citrusy thing
and it's
is
also
really nice.
slightly bitter. It's
I
very
was just
slightly.
going to say, I find it thoda little like sweetish. The bitter is not as, it's an after.
Yeah, it's
It's
very
an
very
aftertaste.
after.
I really like how it smells. So I keep smelling it
It
before.
does smell nice. It's because I think, especially because I put the orange,
Yeah.
it's very fresh with how it's given.
Nice, I like this.
So we scored out of 100, right? But we have to do the thing.
What the, so you can only exclusively review after you chug it.
Yes.
Oh, that's the whole thing.
Yes.
Okay. Fair.
Also, I was talking to this girl, and she said that she doesn't even realize that I chug in my reviews. I was like, that is impossible. Do you ever feel that I
I
have?
mean, it's a small segment, but it's unmissable.
Yeah, I think that's the entire thing. Sip
Okay,
and
so
smash.
sometimes I'll admit
God.
I watch the intro. If you do a pour, I watch the pour and everything, so that's cool. I'll see you take the first sip, first 15 seconds, and then sometimes I just skip to the end to see the chug.
That's I understand. That's what normally people do.
I really think at like 1,000 subscribers or whatever, you should do one burp compilation. Like 50 burps of the year or something like that. Or at the end of next year.
burps. Yeah, top burps of next year.
Yeah, something like that. You have to do. The burps are real. How can you not? Who misses out you burping?
I don't know. There's a guy, a guy very recently, he started commenting on every video. Like he commented like 3-4 times. He's like, bro, he puts a time code at 6 or 7, bro, that burp. And like he went to different videos and just put a time code for a
We
burp.
expect to see you down on this video also.
So thank you so much. I don't know if you'll watch this, but thank you for bringing those burp time
What do you mean
codes.
you don't know if you'll watch this?
I mean, sometimes, some people watch
Okay,
a few
so what
videos.
are your, like, what's your demographic, like, what's your stats looking like when
Men-
there are females in
men-
the video?
men-
Like, when Sana was there, I saw there was so many comments. There were some 26 comments on that, the second video you're doing.
Yeah, because again, Sana tells her friends also, as well.
Yeah, obviously.
Guys, please tell your friends to watch this. Okay, first of all. No, but like when a girl, like let's say I have you on.
Okay.
Let's say you have girlfriends.
Yeah.
Then you can tell your friends, oh, watch, because I'm also there.
Yeah.
So then a few girls will watch. But otherwise, it's like 97% men
Yeah.
between the ages of 18 to 35 in Delhi, Bombay, Bangalore, and a little bit of Goa who watch this.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's a healthy mix of people, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I'm sure you have more viewers than subscribers, so get to work.
Yeah.
Happy New Year, no? I mean, will this
Yeah.
go up before New
So
Year?
this will go up after New Year.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
Subscribe! So, this now, Chuck.
Yeah, it's 3:30. But remember, we are not alcoholics. We are just doing this for you. I'll let you do it in the next
I
video.
had a whole plan to say it in Hindi actually. Fuck
Oh,
it,
you can.
next video.
You can, next
okay.
video.
Cheers. It's so cold.
That's a great thing. Very fizzy, very cold, good brewery, fizzy.
How you can chug cold things? My brain freeze is happening.
I've started putting stopwatches, but the stopwatch only goes up to 1 minute, so you'll have to chug within a minute. Okay, but we won't force anyone to chug. If you don't want to chug, if you want to sip, that's fine. It's called sip and smash. I can smash, you can sip. It's
I'm
completely
still
fine.
chugging.
You don't have to force yourself. Just chill.
This has become my breakfast for the day.
Also, I'm getting a little bit of corn flavor. I don't know why. Like slight corn.
Like bhutta corn.
Yeah. How many corns are there?
You can brew, you can do things with corn to make beer.
So basically, what they do is, I'm not sure there's corn. I feel there's corn, but people mix other grains to give it a little bit of flavor, and also sometimes, if it's getting too expensive, like if you only do malted barley, that can get expensive. So they put layer a little bit of rice, maize, all these cheap, strong beers. They'll add like Tuborg Strong. What are you doing?
No, it's smelling so concentratedly
Yeah, it's smelling.
citric.
Yeah.
As a
Great job. Great job. Burp.
and silently I silently burp.
That's good. You're looking like a dog about to bark.
Arey, because the burp is so silent, like I open my mouth and no awaaz comes.
That's what my dog does. You know.
I'm feeling silent burps. I can feel the burp. It's not burping, but
Okay, out of
okay.
100.
So out of 100, my baseline is Kingfisher Ultra.
Everybody loves
That's
that.
my baseline. Okay. So I don't know. I really enjoyed the citrusy bit. I like that it wasn't too bitter, but whatever bittery it was, whatever 14, right? Oh, great.
Thank you.
Thank you.
क्या repeat your beer?
No, we'll have a different beer. I think what is
Can
the...
I remove the menu?
Yeah. No, I'll keep that 1 second. I think we'll have the rice next.
Rice laga?
Ah,
1, 2.
2. Same. Even this, all of this is going. You know, they know what the next review is.
Why ask 1 or 2? Which obviously 2, no? Anyway. Yeah, okay. So, I quite enjoyed that it was slightly bitter. So, I don't have an issue with bitter, I think I have realized.
Yeah.
It's okay, I think.
Tacos.
These are fish tacos. Wow. Okay, let me think. Do you have like categories?
I'll give you 1 second.
No, like do you have things
Oh,
you...
wow, you did it very well. Huh. Go on. Now it's struggling, yeah.
Picking up a taco.
Yeah.
Do you have categories like your 100 ka score? Do you divide it or anything or you just...
No, I just drink it and...
So 1 to 100 is what?
I do see.
100 is what on your scale? Good.
So, remember, 100, I feel it's very impossible to have 100 on 100.
Okay, what's the highest you have so far?
90.
90.
That might be higher than 90, I'm not sure. I just give it a 90 because, again, that was like a bottled German beer.
Okay.
I just feel like if I go to Germany, there's going to be better beers than that. But that was so good. That was a Hefeweizen. Very, very good. Meisel's. But yeah, that was a 90. And again, it depends on how clear the taste is, what the beer is trying to do.
Okay.
Right? So it's not
Yeah.
like, so every, like this is not a bitter beer, right? But I understand it's not supposed to be bitter.
Yeah.
So I can't compare it to a stout which is
Something
supposed
that
to be
is- yeah.
bitter.
More bitter.
Yes, happy.
Okay, so in that regard, it has like lived up to what it's supposed to be. Hana?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So with that being said, I would give it like a 72.
You know, I was going to give it exactly that.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was such a good score.
I was gonna say like 71, but
I
I,
was
feel like it's still a 72.
I was going to give it
Still a
exactly.
little more than 70.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because I would have this like, if I was just in the day, like coming to chill with someone,
Yeah.
as is happening,
Again,
yeah, I would have
as it's
had this.
happening. Yeah.
I would
It's a
have
good
had this.
beer.
It's nice.
It's a nice beer.
I don't think I would get drunk also off of this.
You
I
know,
could have a
but
couple.
they say buzz level 8 out of 10. But you know, like it's
Yeah, but I'm not feeling.
buzzy.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I mean, we'll speak after
Yeah.
3 of these.
But anyway,
different-
I mean, they don't have a thing on their glass, but you know, Stamba Brewery, Bombay, newly opened, with beer 72 out of 100.
Both of us 72.
Yeah, both of us
Oh,
72.
sick!
And I give it 72.
Cheers. I like
Also,
it.
we can do a bonus fish taco review.
I quite like it.
Huh? Let me
It's
check.
quite nice. Like the salsa and the other sauce is also quite nice.
There's salsa in this already. No, there is salsa in this. There's some sauce in this.
Oh, there is?
No,
Okay.
you don't need to.
I quite like it.
It's a very nice, fresh. Oh, it's a very good. It's a soft taco. It's not a hard taco.
Yeah. I think it's good beer finger food.
Also, this kind of food with this kind of beer goes very well.
This is slightly, I think that's what I'm enjoying, that this was slightly sweetish.
Yeah.
I mean, not sweet,
Yeah.
but it wasn't as bitter. So this is going really well because it's a little tikka.
Yeah.
I like it.
So this, you can have the tacos with the beer. With beer, you look great. You know, how much? I think this is like a 82 taco.
What?
82 out of 100 taco.
We're reviewing
Yeah,
tacos
you're
now.
reviewing taco. This is bonus footage for YouTube, you know.
Okay. No, I would not give these an 82. I've had better fish tacos.
Okay.
No, I have.
And what?
I
Goa?
think this is no, not in Goa. I like social. I don't want to say other place. You can bleep this. But no, I would give this like a nice, even 65.
Okay.
Yeah.